Now, we have solved a lot of examples. Adiyum poi parunga. Now, let us solve exercise questions. Ipo directa they have given word problems. So, first of all, examples poi parunga. Oru word problem kudukama equation ah kuduthirundha how to solve using the graphical method ngiradhu examples la potiruken. Okay, go and watch that. Now, from the pair of linear equations in the following programs, find their solutions graphically. Okay, so ipo first 10 students of class 10 took part in a mathematical quiz. Okay, மொத்தம் எத்தனை students? 10. If the number of girls is 4 more than number of boys. So, இப்போ இங்க யார் இருக்கா? 2 பேர் இருக்காங்க. Girls, boys. Okay, so what are we going to do? First of all, we are going to write number of girls னு எழுதுவோம். So, we have number of girls equals x னு எடுத்துக்கலாம். Number of boys equals y. Okay, so it is said that if the number of girls, அப்படினா என்ன? If the number of girls is going to be 4 times more than the number of boys. அப்படினா என்ன அர்த்தம்? 4y. இப்போ boys வந்து ஒருத்தர் தான் இருக்காங்கன்னா girls எத்தனை பேர் இருக்காங்க? 4 people. So எந்த பக்கம் 4 போடணும்? You have to put 4 on this side. Okay, if the number of girls, அதாவது x is going to be 4 times the number of boys. So 4 into y. எப்படி equation போடணும்னு புரிஞ்சுதா? So x equals 4y is going to be the first equation. இப்போ second equation, find the number of boys and girls. x, y என்னன்னு கண்டுபிடிக்க சொல்றாங்க. But to find the linear equation in 2 variables, 2 variable இருக்கிறதுனால you will need 2 different equations. இன்னொரு equation என்ன? first lineல என்ன கொடுத்திருக்கு? 10 students of class 10 took part in a mathematical quiz. 10 students மொத்தம் இருக்காங்கன்னு சொல்றாங்க. அப்ப இன்னொரு equation என்ன? x plus y, boys and girls சேர்த்து you have 10. Okay, so these are your 2 different equations. So what are the 2 equations? You have x equals 4y and x plus y equals 10. இப்போ இந்த equation standard form ல எழுதணும்னா you can write this as x minus 4y equals 0 and this is going to be x plus y minus 10 equals 0. எதனால எப்படி எழுதுறேன்? I'm going to check the ratios because I want to know what the a1 is. a1 என்ன? 1. b1 is going to be minus 4. c1 is going to be 0. First term la constant கிடையாது. Now second term you have a1, a2 is going to be the coefficient of x, then b2 is going to be coefficient of y and c2 is going to be minus 10. இப்போ ratios என்ன? The ratio a1 by a2 equals 1 divided by 1 which is 1. Then b1 divided by b2 equals minus 4 divided by 1 which is minus 4. c1 divided by c2 is going to be 0 divided by minus 10 which is going to be 0. So what do you see from here? You see that a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2 not equal to c1 by c2. So இந்த மாதிரி condition நம்ம எங்க பார்த்தோம்? Watch my previous video. So if nothing is equal, all the 3 coefficients are not equal, then this is going to be intersecting lines. Intersecting lines na எவ்வளவு solutions இருக்கும்? If the 2 lines are intersecting, this is the only point of intersection. So எவ்வளவு solution இருக்கு? They are going to have a unique solution. And unique solution na enna? It is going to be consistent. Consistent na என்ன அர்த்தம்? Solution இருக்கு. Inconsistent na solution இல்ல. Okay, so this is going to be consistent. Now let us find out what the solution is. And the unique solution and the ஒரே ஒரு solution என்ன? Okay, so now we have x equals 4y and x plus y equals 10. So these are the 2 different equations. Let's plot the value. So you have x, y, அதுக்கு first value கண்டுபிடிக்கணும்ல. So when y equals 0, we have x is equal to 0. When y equals 1, x is equal to 4. Correct? Then minus 1 போடலாம். When y equals minus 1, we have x equals minus 4. 3 different points போதும். Okay? Now, from here, we have in the equation எப்படி எழுதலாம்? X is equal to 10 minus y னு எழுதலாமா? Now, let us find the x and y values. When y value equals 5 னு எடுத்துக்கலாம். Some close value எடுத்துக்கலாம். Y value 5 na, x value is also going to be 5. Then, y value equals 0 na, x value 10. X value equals 0 na, y value is also going to be 10. புரிஞ்சுதா? Y value 10 na, x is going to be 10 minus 10 which is going to be 0. Okay, now let's plot these graphs. So, இப்போ plot பண்ணா, I have my x-axis and the y-axis. Okay, so இப்போ values 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. X ல எவ்வளோ வேணும்? 10 வரைக்கும் வேணும். So, let us do 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. ஏன்னா x-axis ல இந்த இடத்துல 10 இருக்குல்ல? So, I am plotting until 10. So, 2 table வச்சு plot பண்றேன். So, I have minus 2, minus 4, minus 6, minus 8, minus 10. Then y la I also need 10. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Okay. So 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. Then in the pakamo I have minus 2, minus 4, minus 6, minus 8, minus 10. Okay, this is my y-axis, x-axis, y-axis. Let's plot these values. So first என்னென்ன values? This is going to be 0, 0, 4, 1, minus 4, minus 1. இந்த இடத்துல என்னெல்லாம் points இருக்கு? We have 5, 5, 10, 0, and 0, 10. First in the mari எழுதிக்கோங்க. What are the points going to be? X, Y. அதுதான் எழுதிருக்கேன். Okay. Now first we have 0, 0. So 0, 0 is going to be here. 4, 1. 4, 1 na 1 is going to be here, right? So 4, 1 is this. Then minus 4, minus 1. Minus 4, minus 1 enga. Minus 4, minus 1 is going to be over here. This is minus 1 in y-axis. So இப்போ இந்த மூணுல point you join பண்ண. So you have x equals 4y. Okay, when I join this. இப்போ அடுத்த மூணு point. You have 5, 5. இப்போ 5, 5 எங்க இருக்கு? So this point is going to be 5 and this point is going to be 5. So when I plot 5, 5, it's going to be somewhere here. Then 10, 0 is going to be on the x-axis. Then 0, 10 is going to be on the y-axis. So when I join these 3 points, we have this line. இப்போ இந்த line என்ன? This line is going to be x plus y equals 10. So இப்போ இந்த இடத்துல point of intersection என்ன? The point of intersection is going to be over here, which is going to be, இந்த இடத்துல என்ன இருக்கு? You have x value is going to be 8 and y value is going to be 2. So we have 8, 2 is the point of intersection. And the unique solution என்ன? It is going to be 8, 2. இப்போ இதை நம்ம equationலையும் போட்டு check பண்ணலாம். So what is your equation? X equals 4y. இப்போ 8, 2 substitute பண்ணா, we have 8 equals 4 into 2. So we have 8 equals 8. Hence verified. உங்களுக்கு வந்திருக்கிற ஆன்சரும் correct. So how do you cross check such answers? இந்த மாதிரி வந்திருக்கிறத ஏதாவது ஒரு equationல போட்டு check பண்ணுங்க. So you will get your value to be equal. Okay. So this is how you solve. Please copy. Now question number 2. You have 5 pencils and 7 pens. Together cost rupees 50. Okay. இப்போ என்ன பண்ண போறோம்? We have number of pencils. First, எதை xy எதை எடுக்கணும்னு பார்த்துக்கோங்க. Number of pencils is x and number of pens equals y. Okay, இப்போ 5 pencils அப்படின்னா ஒரு பென்சிலோட விலை என்ன? It is going to be, sorry, number of pencils இல்ல, rate of pencils. So we are talking about rate, இல்லையா? So rate of pencil together cost ஏன்னா 50 rupees னு சொல்லிருக்கான். So 5 pencils எவ்வளோ? ஒரு pencil x rupees. அப்போ 5 pencils என்ன? 5 into, இப்போ ஒரு pencil 10 rupees னா 5 into 10, கரெக்டா? அப்போ 5 into x. So what is the rate of one pencil? 5 pencils, it is going to be 5 into x. Okay, so 5x, 5 pencils and 7 pens together. அப்போ 5x plus 7y equals 50. புரிஞ்சுதா? 5 pencils is going to cost me 5x rupees. 7 pens is going to cost me 7y rupees. இது ரெண்டுத்தையும் சேர்த்தா I am going to pay 50 rupees. Okay, so 5x plus 7y equals 50. இது ஒரு equation. இன்னொரு equation என்ன? Whereas 7 pencils and 5 pens together. 7 pencils, அப்ப 7x plus 5 pens together cost rupees 46. Find the cost of one pencil and one pen. அப்படின்னா என்ன? They are telling us to find the cost of one pencil and one pen. Find x and y value கேக்குறாங்க. Okay. Now let me write this equation in the default general form. So 5x plus 7y minus 50 equals 0. 7x plus 5y minus 46 equals 0. இப்போ a1, a2, a3 ல என்ன நமக்கு தெரியும்? a1, b1, c1. இது a2, b2, c2. இப்போ a1 by a2 என்ன? It is going to be 5 divided by 7. Then b1 by b2 is 7 divided by 5. Then C1 by C2 is going to be 50 divided by 46. இதை simplify பண்ணா கூட 2 tableல we'll have 25 divided by 2 2s are 25 divided by 3. இதிலே என்ன தெரியுது? All the 3 coefficients are not equal. So போன subsection மாதிரியே they are going to be intersecting. So intersecting வேற என்ன எழுதுவோம்? Consistent. They are going to be consistent. And how many solutions? Intersecting na it is going to be a unique solution. Okay, so let us find the values. So you have first equation 5x plus 7y equals 50. இது எப்படி எழுதலாம்? 5x equals 50 minus 7y. So you can write x equals 50 minus 7y divided by 5. இது ஒரு equation. Second equation என்ன? 7x plus 5y equals 46. So you have 5y equals 46 minus 7x. Y equals 46 minus 7x divided by 5. Now divided by 5 denominator la vechirken because it's easy to calculate the values. Okay. Now we have x, y, x and y. Okay. Let me find the values. So when I put value of y equals 0. So we have 50 divided by 5 which is going to be 10. Next, இப்போ 7 5s are 35 இல்லையா? நம்ம 5 table multiples எடுக்கலாம். 7 5s are 35. So it is going to be 50 minus 35. 50 minus 35 என்ன? It is going to be 15. 15 by 5 is going to be 3. Okay, next 10 எடுக்கலாமா? So when y value is going to be 10, we have 50 minus 70. So minus 20 divided by 5 which is going to be minus 4. Okay, so what are the points? You have 10, 0, 3, 5, minus 4, 10. Okay, இப்போ இந்த இடத்துல here pay attention, I'm going to substitute values for x, y கிடையாது. So இந்த இடத்துல x க்கு என்ன substitute பண்ணலாம்? You have 46. So when you substitute x value to be 2, you have 46 minus 14. So this is going to be 32. This is not a multiple of 5. So நம்ம என்ன பண்ண போறோம்? Let us take another value. So you have 1 substitute பண்ணா 46 minus 7 is going to be 39. அதுவும் வேண்டாம். Then 3 substitute பண்ணா 3 substitute பண்ணலாம். When x is equal to 3, we have 46 minus 7 3s are 21. So you have 25. So if x is equal to 3 na, we have 25 divided by 5, which is going to be 5. Okay, 5. 7 5s are 35. அதுவும் வரல. Then 7 into 8 try panna, 7 8s are 56. அது வரும். So 7 into 8. When x value is going to be 8, we have 7 8s are 56. So 56 minus 46 is going to be minus 10. So minus 10 divided by 5 is going to be minus 2. Graph ku plot பண்றதுக்கு ஈஸியா இருக்கிற பாயிண்ட்ஸா எடுக்கலாம். Okay, then what other value can you take? When x is equal to 0 வராது. Then x is equal to, what else can we try? 10 வேண்டாம், 9 வேண்டாம், 9 7s are 63 வேண்டாம். Then 11 table, 11 7s are 77, 77 minus 76 வேண்டாம். Then 11 கிடையாது, 12, 12 7s are 84, 84 வேண்டாம். Then 9 பண்ணா 12 13, 13 into 7, 7 இப்போ 13 into 7. When I substitute x value to be 13, we have 7 3s are 21, 2 7 1s are 7, 8 9. So we have 91 minus 46, which is going to be இந்த இடத்துல 8, இந்த இடத்துல 1. So 6 11 minus 6 is 5, 8 minus 4 is going to be 4. So 45 divided by 5, which is going to be minus 9. Okay, இப்போ இங்கே points என்ன? We have 3, 5, then 8, minus 2, 13, minus 9. இந்த மாதிரி கிராஃபிக்கலா சால்வ் பண்ணும்போது கொஞ்சம் லாங்கா இருக்கிற மாதிரி இருக்கும். பட் when we start solving using calculation method, it is much easier. Okay, so இப்போ graph plot பண்ணலாமா? So I'm going to plot my x and y. So y axis and x axis. Okay, இப்போ values எல்லாம் எப்படி இருக்கு? near x and y, x values வந்து 13 வரைக்கும் போகுது, இந்த இடத்துல 10 வரைக்கும் போகுது. Y values are going until 9. Okay, so இப்போ x value 13 வரைக்கும் வேணும்னா let me move this a little bit over here. Okay, so I have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13. Okay, then இந்த பக்கம் 1 2 3 4 5 6 9 வரைக்கும் வேணும்ல? இல்ல 6. Then y value I need until minus 9, இந்த பக்கம் 10 வரைக்கும் வேணும். Okay, so let me do 2 4 6 8 10. So 2 4 6 8 10. இங்க 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13. Okay, ஏதாவது ஒரு பக்கம் வேல்யூ கன்சிஸ்டன்ட்டா எடுங்க. minus 2 minus 4 minus 6 minus 8 minus 10. This side is going to be minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 4 minus 5 minus 6. இப்போ plot பண்ணலாமா? We have 10, 0. So 10, 0 is going to be over here. Then 3, 5. இங்கே நமக்கு first common தெரியுதா? So you have 3, 5 and 3, 5. So what is your unique solution going to be? It's going to be 3, 5. அவ்வளவுதான். Solution நம்ம கண்டுபிடிச்சாச்சு. So graph மட்டும் கரெக்ட்டா plot பண்ணுங்க. 10, 0. Then you have 3, 5. So 3, 5 is going to be over here. Then minus 4, minus 10. Minus 4, 10. Sorry. So minus 4, 10 is going to be over here. Okay, so when I join these points, what do I have? So இப்படி ஒரு graph வருது. Okay, then next points are going to be 3, 5. So 3, 5 is going to be over here. Then 8, minus 2. 8, minus 2 இங்க இருக்கு. Then 13, minus 9. 13, minus 9 is going to be over here. Okay, so when I join these 3 points now, what am I going to have? Okay, so please draw it using a scale. So the point of intersection is going to be 3, 5. So what is the solution going to be? The point of intersection is 3, 5 na, x value is going to be 3 and y value equals 5. நம்மளோட x என்ன? X is going to be rate of 1 pencil. So cost of 1 pencil. So cost of 1 pencil equals rupees 3. And அடுத்தது cost of 1 pen equals rupees 5. Okay, so this is how you write the final answer. Okay, please copy. Now, question number 2. On comparing the ratios, find out whether the lines are representing a pair of linear equations which intersecting a parallel coincident lines ஆன்னு கேக்குறாங்க. Okay, so இதெல்லாம் நமக்கு தெரியுமா? நம்ம examples exerciseலயே முன்னாடி அப்படிதான் solve பண்ணோம். So அதை வச்சே போட வேண்டியதான். Okay, so இப்போ first questionல, is it in the general form? Yes, 5x minus 4y plus 8 equals 0. 7x plus 6y minus 9 equals 0. So values என்ன? a1 equals 5. A2 equals minus 4, sorry, B1. A1, B1, C1 first equation. B1 minus 4, C1 equals 8. Then A2 equals 7, B2 equals 6 and C2 equals minus 9. So, இப்போ A1 by A2 equals 5 divided by 7. B1 by B2 equals minus 4 divided by 6. And C1 by C2 equals 8 divided by minus 9. ஏதாவது ஈக்குவலா இருக்கா? எதுவுமே ஈக்குவல் கிடையாது. So, you have A1 by A2 not equal to B1 by B2 not equal to C1 divided by C2. So, they are going to be intersecting lines. Intersecting lines க்கு தான் எதுவுமே ஈக்குவல் கிடையாது. So, intersecting lines. So, the value is going to be a unique solution. So, ஒரே ஒரு solution தான் இருக்க போகுது. And solution இருக்கிறதுனால it is going to be consistent. If there is no solution, it is going to be inconsistent. Okay. There is a solution, so it is going to be consistent. Okay. First subsection முடிஞ்சது. இப்போ second subsection. So, you have 9x plus 3y. Second subsection 9x plus 3y plus 12 equals 0 and 18x plus 6y plus 24 equals 0. இப்போ A1 by A2 equals 9 divided by 18, 1 by 2. Next, B1 divided by B2 என்ன? 3 divided by 6. So, 3 divided by 6 which is 1 by 2. C1 by C2 is going to be 12 divided by 24 which is going to be 1 by 2. இதிலே என்ன தெரியுது? You have the ratios are equal. A1 by A2, B1 by B2 equals C1 divided by C2. So, இது என்னது? This is going to be coincident lines. எல்லாமே equal அப்படின்னா you are going to have infinite solutions. Infinite number of solutions. So, they are going to be coincident lines. Coincident na enna ஒன்னு மேல ஒன்னு. So, this is line 1, line 2, line 3, line 4, line 5 எல்லாம் one is on top of the other. Okay. So, it is going to be coincident lines. Okay. So, this is also going to be consistent. Solution இருக்கு. So, it is going to be consistent. Okay. Please copy. Now, subsection 3. Subsection 3 enna? 6x minus 3y. I'll do it here. So, you have 6x minus 3y plus 10 equals 0. Other equation 2x minus y plus 9 equals 0. So, இப்போ இந்த இடத்துல A1 by A2 என்ன? A1 by A2 equals 6 divided by 2, 3. Next, B1 by B2 equals minus 3 divided by minus 1, 3. Then you have C1 divided by C2 equals 10 divided by 9. இப்போ இதிலே என்ன தெரியுது? We have A1 by A2 equals B1 by B2 but not equal to C1 by C2. இப்போ x coefficients and y coefficients are equal. அந்த மாதிரி இருந்ததுன்னா we are talking about parallel lines. Okay, parallel first x and y coefficients will be equal. So, we are talking about parallel lines but they have no solution. ஏன்னா intersection இல்ல. So, they have no solution which means it is going to be inconsistent. No solution meaning inconsistent. Okay, please copy.